Hey there, Ben here with Sauna Marketplace. Today we're going to be going over the installation of a Saunum Air Series heater. Remember to hire a licensed electrician and to always follow any local building codes that might apply in your area. First off, here's a list of some things you might need. First things first, we're going to release the air inside the box by cutting the tape at the top of the carton. Remove the outer cover of the box, turning the inner box on its side and opening up the bottom of the interior carton. Stand the inside carton upright, then remove the box to access the components inside, including the flue cap, stone basket cover, cables, salt spheres if included, stone baskets, and heat deflector. Don't forget to remove the plastic film from the stainless steel parts. Remove the lower stone basket and air tunnels surrounding the heating elements. Go ahead and take off the front panel of the heater and unpack the telescoping flue. Detach the temperature sensor cable that's connected to the flue and place the heater on its back and remove the bottom panel. Place the cables through the hole and connect them to the terminals. See page 33 of the manual for the electrical diagram. And remember, always hire a licensed electrician to do any electrical work involved with your sauna. After connecting the electrical wires, reattach the bottom panel. Next up, install the flue cap where the wall meets the ceiling. Assemble the flue and mount it into the flue socket of the heater. It should fit snugly into place. Hang the telescoping flue onto the flue cap previously mounted. Install the reflective plate on the flue behind the elements. This will help radiate heat into your room. Replace the lower stone basket by hooking it behind the flue. Again, remember to remove any plastic film that might be on your stainless steel parts. Place each of the air tunnels back over the heating elements. And carefully fill the bottom basket of the heater with stones, making sure that they're not placed inside the air tunnels. Add the upper stone basket and continue filling it with stones. And then fasten the flue to the wall with screws. Now fix the cover plate into the slot at the top of the radiation plate and install the protective grill over the stones. Set the salt sphere tray in place and add the salt spheres, if included, with the aroma tray in the middle. Carefully replace the front panel. Once you're fired up and moving, you can use the air blending valve on the left side of the heater to tailor the blend of air and oxygen inside your sauna room. Your Saunum heater is now installed and ready to enjoy. We hope you found this video helpful, and head on over to Sauna Marketplace, where we're always there to answer questions, and we have the full line of Saunum Air and Saunum Air L heaters available in stock and ready to ship. Again, this is Ben with Sauna Marketplace. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.